got the old Comet Cyclone all tore down, motor out, getting ready to pull the motor, the doors off here, and we've got the front fenders. One of them was totally trashed. My buddy's been working on those, getting those back in good shape. Got them all in primer. We had to do a whole bunch of work on this stuff. You can't find any of it on eBay. They don't have it, so we're slowly but surely getting this old girl all back in decent shape. Did a bunch of metal work on it and got everything back up to par. And he's finishing up the back end. Remember the corners that were all jacked up? He's got that all done. There's my guy right there doing the work. But Comet's getting closer. I'd say those are some pretty close fitting big ass headers. Pretty damn happy with that. All right, now we're doing the transmission mount for the back of the transmission, but here's what the lemon headers look like up underneath the car. They did a real good job on those. Those things are right at their 4-inch exhaust, and they're right at the bottom of the engine tranny pan and the engine oil pan. And we're doing a tranny mount right now. That's the old bar that was holding it in, but I'm gonna try to get the tranny mount done now. But yeah, they really snuck those headers in there good. I'm real happy with lemon headers. They're worth every penny you pay for them, especially with 4-inch exhaust. It just blows me away they were able to get everything just right. And this is a tall deck engine, and the back of the transmission is up by about 1.5 inches. I mean, they still fit, so I was pretty scared about that. But anyways, that's the transmission. That's getting the tranny mount done, and then attach everything to the rear end, and be starting the motor up pretty soon, it looks like. Excited, man, I can't wait.